welcome to our YouTube channel Driveway Builds. Just a quick intro to let you know what cars we've got and what videos you're going to be seeing if you subscribe to the channel. So I have got a Hyper Blue Mini Cooper S R53. This is going to be my track car. So all the mods that we'll be doing to that will be getting it track ready. So you'll be seeing upcoming videos to do with that. This is my husband's Abarth Punto Evo. This is going to be a show car slash track car. It's had quite a few things onto it already. So again, lots of interesting videos coming up showing you the sort of stuff he's done with that. And this is my grey John Cooper Works R53. This is going to be left pretty standard apart from some subtle sort of cosmetic modifications because I want it to just be kept as my daily, and I will be taking it to some shows and things like that. I might do the odd track day in it, but I haven't decided yet. I haven't had it very long. So yeah, just a quick intro to let you know what the channel is going to be about. So if you want to see some videos to do with these cars, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.